Hello everyone, today I wanted to do a quick little review of Zosi full 1080 HD resolution CCTV camera with 1TB hard drive, and I will be showing you some cool features I love about it. So let's jump right in. So it has 4 high definition cameras with 2 megapixels, good enough for the house. Even I placed these cameras outside my house, whether it's rain or shine, it's weatherproof. The case of this housing of this item is aluminum, which can withstand the toughest of outdoor conditions 24/7 all year round. It has also advanced motion detection, so any movement detected will be recorded and notify me and will send immediately to my smartphone day or night. You can also modify the motion detection. By the way, the night vision of this item or product is up to 30 meters or 100 feet, and it automatically activates when low light is detected, so it will turn red. The DVR can also be set automatically, overwrite the oldest internal storage footage, or you can transfer those video files by USB or memory stick or external hard drive. I can use my smartphone or tablet for wireless remote viewing or monitoring using the free Zosi View or Zosi Smart app in order for me to gain peace of mind wherever I go, whatever I do, regardless how many devices to use simultaneously. I can also use my PC or laptop for local viewing and no network needed. I just need a connection, or you need to connect the system via HDMI or VGA port and enjoy multiple cam views on the screen from inside. Each 4 CCTV cables has 60 feet, by the way. I tested these and it worked perfectly fine, and it really did its job. This product gives security for my home and family. And there you have it. I hope this video gave you insight and help answer the questions in mind. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a good one.